This is how we can create a project without having any sort of coding experience using ChatGPT. The only thing which we need is, I think, a conceptual clarity. So I'm working on an ongoing project. So what I'm going to do is, it is a blockchain-based project. So this is my Solidity contract, which again ChatGPT gave me, and I want you to create a JSX page using Truffle React. So, so you need to know uh, uh, at least the basic concepts before starting this thing. And using Panache. Okay. So okay. It's already giving me something. I, I didn't ask it what I wanted, what I really wanted. But okay, now I'll ask. I want a code for. Okay, before that, just show you the project up until now. Okay, no workspace. Um, this when I can start it. Just give me a second. Okay, and what I'll do is, so it's the project which I'm working on. Hide this thing. Okay, go to my truffle and this is where I will compile my script as well as deploy it on a blockchain. Currently, the configurations which I have been using with asking Truffle to deploy this thing on Panache. Okay, so deployment, total two deployments are done because I think simple storage is by default thing in Truffle that we get. But yeah, evidence protection is my new Solidity code, which is a smart contract. Anyways, CD, so line, and now the NPM start. Okay. So everything right from CSS to everything, ChatGPT is helping me for that. The only prerequisite is you need to have a basic knowledge about what you actually need and what are the tools that you want to use. Okay. I think pretty much that's it. So let's say, and okay, what I'll do is I'll first remove this account, remove, and now is this thing. I'll import account. For that, I need private key, which I have. Let's set. That's it. Now I have 100 experience. I think, yeah, this thing has already started. It's 8080. Ask Permission to connect to MetaMask. Connected to this site. So what I'll do is reload it. So yeah, next. And I'll connect my MetaMask. So everything which you can see here is designed by ChatGPT. Everything, every single thing. Okay. And then just a second. Okay. So let's see how it works. So this thing was deployed on. I have one notch here. Done. Transactions, contract creation. Sender address was 0x1b. 0x1b. We'll see my blocks accounts. 0x1b is this thing. It is ending with 4193. Even this is ending with 4193 from address. Okay, cool. So what I'll do is I'll also add this account copy, go to my React thing, to my MetaMask, add account. Right now, I think you are not quite clear what we are doing. So I'll explain you. I'll explain you what is happening. So basically, admin is the person who can add police officer. This is basically an evidence project where what admin will do is admin can add all the police officers. What police officers can do is they can add image, which is basically an evidence, and a description to an image. So right now I'm using CID, which is basically your content ID. So we are planning to store the image into IPFS, which is Interplanetary File Storage Protocol. And how it works is we store an image and in return we get a CID. We get an specific ID for that content which we are storing. So that is CID, content identification number. So what police can do is police can upload a CID and a description. Okay. And only the admin is the person who can give this access to police officer. So once being an admin myself, if I add a police officer address, he is allowed to do all these things. Okay. And now forensics, what it will do is it will basically tell police, it will basically, uh, what forensics will do is based on the evidence ID, it will mark it as valid or invalid. So evidence ID is basically every time police adds an evidence, that evidence will get an ID and a forensic guy will mark it as a valid evidence or invalid evidence. Okay, so let's see how it works. Uh, First, admin is the one who is deploying this contract, So what I'll do is, okay, I'll move to account 3, which is this one. And then in account 3, I'll copy this address of account 2, which will be my new police. Okay, so I'll again switch to account 3. Okay, now I'm on account 3. And here I'll add address of account 2, which is the police uh, account address, police officer address. And if I add police address, the only thing is from admin address, I can send this request of adding this police. Only admin can send this thing. I'll confirm it and you will see transaction confirmed. Now, this policeman with this ID can add its identification, content identification and description. So I'll move to account 3 now. Sorry, account 2 now. Okay. Just for a simplicity thing, what I'll do is account 2. Let's say my CID. CID is your hexadecimal thing. So let's say it is A C 126 121 and description is this is a criminal scene where dead body can be seen. Full stop. I hate grammar. Nah, a dead body can be seen. Okay. And if I upload evidence, being a police officer, I can add it. And you see, transaction confirmed. Now, let's say I had some different account. Let's say account which is not been added by the admin. So I'll copy this private key. I'll add this account. It will be my account 4. This will be my account 4. Add account, import account, and import. Okay. And now if I try to do the same shit, I won't be allowed. Okay. And I was not connected to that account. Just give me a second. Yeah, I'll connect to account 4. Now I'm on account 4. I'll again say, yeah, yeah, and you are not allowed to do it from account 4. If you see this, account 4 won't allow you to do this thing. Yeah, because admin has not added you as a police officer. So I'll reject it. And now what we are trying to do is evidence ID and validity will try to uh, mark it as valid or invalid based on evidence ID. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, I think I already have code for it. Now it's not working. Okay. So you know what? What we'll do is I want this evidence thing. I'll copy it. I want small quick note. I want you to people from forensics should be Perfect, perfect, perfect. And now I'll paste it here and I'll try to, before that, you know what we'll do? There is a site called as Remix, which is a compiler for blockchain. Uh, Contracts and Control A, Control V. Okay. Control S is for compiling. I have compiled it. You can see it here. Compilation successful with one warning. Don't care about warning. Currently, I have no deployed contracts. I'll deploy it. I have deployed it. Let's see. As soon as I deploy it, this is how it is. Admin. I call admin. This is what it gave me. Okay, add police. Being an admin, I can add police. But for that, let's say I'll change this and copy it. And I'll again go back to the admin thing and add forensic. So let's say I'll add forensic. If you see the green thing, this means this address is my forensic address. Forensics. Okay, now I'll go to some other address, which is the last address. It will be my police address. I'll copy it. I'll again go back to my admin address, which is this one, first one, and add police, Control V, add police. Of course, now I have police address as well. So this is my police address. Okay, and now allow forensics. I'll change my address to the last one, which is a police, I believe. And this can upload evidence with string ID, which is your CID, and your description. I'll upload it. Yes, you see it. But now if I try to mark evidence with it, it would not allow, which was the case. And if I go to my forensic address, which is starting with 0xD, no, 0x4B. Where is 0x4B? Okay. Oh, this is 0x4B2 ending with DB. Yeah, you see this? It is the same thing ending with DB. And now I think this thing can do mark evidence, which is okay, 0, 0. No, what is the other? Is valid. Okay, I'll go to mark evidence. So I'll do 1, comma. Is it true? I don't know. Although I'll go to ChatGPT again and forensic guy allowed by admin should be allowed to mark it as valid or invalid. Here is the modifier forensics allowed by admin can mark evidence as valid or invalid. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see. I delete this thing. I'll recompile it. It's done. And now I'll deploy it. Okay. See, yeah, I have deployed it. This is the new contract where again uh second guy will be my police and the third guy or fourth guy will be my forensic. Okay. Okay. I'll again go to my admin thing, which is first one. I'll copy this address, forensic, and add forensics. Oh, why? I'll call admin function, starting ending with the DB, starting with 0x4. Oh, so in this case, now this is my admin function. Okay. Because if you see the address of admin is 0x4, ending with DB. Now if I add forensics, yeah, it is working. Good. Forensic was my fourth guy. No? Yeah, ending with B. Yeah, the fourth guy. And what it can do is, oh, before that, I'll need to add an evidence. So before that, of course, I'll again need to go to admin and add police so that he can add evidence. So add police. Of course, I'll add police. It's working. Now I'll go to the second guy who is my admin, who is my police, and police can upload evidence with CID as CID and description as description and upload evidence. That's working. I'll add one more evidence, CID one, description one. That's working. And now I'll go to the fourth guy who is the forensic guy. And say it works. Hell yeah, it is working. Hell yeah. Perfect. Now let's say I go to some other guy and then I again try the mark evidence thing and it is not working. You can see the cross. Perfect. We got the script. This is the script. Okay. And I'll use it. I'll go to my VS Code, evidence protection. Okay, I'll cut it, copy this thing. I'll paste it, save. You know what I'll do? I'll again go to cd truffle and I'll truffle minus hyphen reset. It will compile and deploy my contract, which don't know why I'm recording this for you. Anyways, you start. KYN Are you getting it? Okay, reject. Now I'll go to my admin page and I'll ask GPT to, according to our contract, give admin two choices to add police and forensics. Minded, this is GPT 3.5. I don't even have access to GPT 4. Okay, and see this, how it will work. As simple as copy, paste. And I think this should work. Let's see. I'll go to my React. Who cares? Okay, organ donation. Go to admin. Okay. Sh- Okay, police officer address and forensic address. So let's say I'll use this thing. Be done. I'll go to MetaMask. Add. I'll go to my MetaMask. Here, what I'll do is I'll add one more account. Account 5. What with what the fuck is this one? Or found you are trying to import is a duplicate. Oh, is it already imported? Okay, okay. Let's say I'll add this one. Second one, perfect. Account 5. And I'll copy it. I'll go to account 3, which, if you know, is my admin account. Hmm. Adding forensic guy. Whoop. Now I have a forensic guy. I'll go to forensics. I'll go to the fifth account first. No, 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 no. Before that, I'll add account 2, account 4 as my, no, account 2 as my police officer. So, don't I copy address directly? Okay, I'm in account 2. I copied it. Again, go to account 3, police officer. I'll add this. Hell yeah. E. So 0xe and 6b. 0xe, 6b. Starting with 0xe, I think it is account 2 only, and ending with 6b. Perfect. Perfect. Being a police officer, I'll add 2, 3 evidences. CID 1. Right now, I'm writing it as CID 1 and description 1. But I'll soon figure out how to connect an image and directly, as soon as I upload an image, this thing will be catching CID or the content identification of it. I'll upload the evidence. If I'm police, I'll be allowed to do it. I am allowed to do it. Okay. CID 2, desk 2, upload evidence, confirm, done. I'll go here. I'll go to admin. Here you can see every transaction which we are having. So I think this was where Okay, let's say I'm not able to remember the forensic address which we added. Was it for fifth account? Let's see. See, fifth account connected. Hopefully it is the forensic thing. One, it is. Evidence has been marked successfully. Perfect. And let's say we'll go to admin thing. I'll also add account 4. Now what I'm trying to do is we'll go to account 2, which is my admin account, and I'll add address of account 4, which is the new account, as a police ID. Hmm? I'll go to account 2 because that is an admin account. Now I can add the officer. Oh, I can't. Why? We already added this officer. Reject it. Okay, and okay, now I am in account 2, and this address is of account 4. So why is it not letting me add this officer? What, I think we already have added him. Let's try it once again with some other account. Yeah, let's say I'll add him with account number second last. I don't know what account it is. We'll copy this. Done, 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 done. Add account. Account 6. I'll first connect it. Then I'll copy the address. Holy shit. I think account 3 was the admin account. Okay, let's see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so you see this app is working perfectly fine. I'll also add the account 6. But as account 6 will be my forensic account. Uh, Account 6 will be my forensic account. Confirm. Perfect. So account 6 and account 4. Account 4 is the police ID. We'll go to account 4. Am I connected? Yeah, I'm already connected. Being a policeman, I'll add this CID for account 4 and description for account 4. Upload evidence. Perfect. Now, if I change it to a other one, the forensic one, which was sixth one, I think I won't be able to add the evidence. I'm connected. I'll change it to CID 5, no, 6 and CID 6. If I try to upload evidence, should raise an error, which it is not. Okay. Can I also do it with count 5? Okay. I also do it with account 4 is of course this one. 2. Okay. We go back again to GPT. Okay. Okay. It works. I'll copy it. I'll go to remix. Should have checked it first. I'll delete this deployed contract. I'll compile it. Compiled with one. Fine. I'll deploy it. It's deployed on account number. This one. I don't know which of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th one. Anyways, I'll go to account 1, copy him, and then I'll move to account 6, or whichever it is. I'll go to my deployed contracts. Being admin, I'll add this as a forensic. I am able to do that. I'll also paste it. Uh, Smile, what? Forensic guy. And let's say if forensic guy can add an evidence, disk 1, comma, disk 2, sorry, CID 1, 1, comma, disk 1. Disk is your description. I'll change it to your ending with C4, starting the first one, 0x5b3. Add, no, because that is already added. But I'll try to upload evidence. Wow, that's still uploading the evidence. We just for some, I don't want any confusion, so I'll reload it. So every account will now have 100 Ethereums. Contracts, any one of them, best. Okay, okay, deploy, deployed. Now only thing we need to do is go to second thing, copy his address. This is my forensic guy. Come back to first one. And now add forensics. From an admin account, I am able to. You see the green tick here. And okay, I'll again go to the second guy who is my 0x3b2, 0xa b2. Okay. So let's see if we can add an evidence. Disk one, comma, CNU. Who cares, right? Like it's just a text. And he cannot. Perfect. Now I'll go to account three, copy the address. This will be my police guy. And I'll again go to account one, which is the admin account. I'll add this as a police, green tick, and if I upload evidence. Why? Because now I'm in admin account, of course. If I go to account three, which if you see 0x4b2, 0x4b2 ending with 2db. Okay. And now if I upload the evidence, hell yeah, we can. We can do it. Okay. Okay. So far, so good. Okay. I'll just pause it. Okay. So I think this is working well now. What I'll do is I'll copy it, go to my VS Code and my evidence protection.solidity code, and then go to my truffle thing, migrate it, which is basically compiling plus deploying. Done. Perfect. And now what I'll do is again go to client pool, npm start pool. Okay. The only thing I need to check is forensic guy should not be able to upload any evidences, because that's what I'm aiming for. If I'm able to do that, I'll stop the video. If I'm not, I'll pause and pop up. And then I can come back, I can try it. Okay. Now I'll go to the admin thing. First thing first, we need to see what admin address is. Okay, before that, that we also need to change our this page, how it works. You know, change this admin page according to newly implemented contract. Enter. According to me, you only need to know the basic concepts. You need to have the idea of what you are building. That's it. That's it. Like if you know what truffle is, if you know the remix website, and of course, because ChatGPT won't give you correct code every time, you'll need to check it from remix or somewhere. Is this? So see, uh, We have both forensic and police account. Police, no, 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 no. We should have both forensics and police account. Yeah, yeah. Give me 5-10 minutes. I'm working on something. Sure. This is a bit unprofessional. I never forget what else. Where was I? We should have. Sorry. Both forensic and admin account. To add forensic and admin accounts. Yeah. Here is the modified code. Include the navbar component. Perfect. Thank you so much. I'll copy the code. Place it. We'll go back and reload. I will go to admin thing. Yes, it has both things. So you saw ChatGPT didn't give me the correct code first time, but I knew that I wanted two things. I had that idea, right? Okay. Now I'll go to this, my contracts. Sorry, transactions. And from addresses starting with 0x1b, which which should be my account 3. Perfect. But now I'll go to account 2. So what we'll do is account 2 is my forensics. Okay. So this is my forensics. Confirm. Okay. Perfect. Account 3 is my admin account, I know. And account 4 will be my police account. Also, account 5 will be my police account. Copy the address, paste the address. Okay. Remember, I again need to go to account 3 because that is the admin account. Add officers. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no, not again. Because this should have been a police officer. Um, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Again, I'll go to account 5, which will again be my police officer. So account 2 is my forensic guy, account 3 is my admin guy, account 4 is my police guy, account 5, I'll copy the address. After copying it, I'll again go to account 3. Voila. Perfect. Work. It's working. And again, I'll go to MetaMask. Now, from account 2, I'll move on to account, sorry, from account 3, I'll move on to account 2. I'll go to police because account 2, if you guys remember, is my forensic guy. So this should not work. Earlier it was working. Don't work. Thank you. Reject. Okay. I'll move to account 4. Okay. I'll upload the evidence. Please work. Perfect. It is working. Confirm. Okay, transaction confirmed. I'll move to account 5, which is also my police guy. Okay, this will be CID 2, disk 2, upload. Confirm. Okay, we'll move to account 2, which is my forensic account. Yeah, one, valid. Work, bitch. Why? Okay, my account. Okay, what I'll do is I'll add account 6, copy this address, we'll move to account 3, and that will be the forensic guy. Come on, work. Okay, I'll go to forensic guy, evidence 1, valid. King. You know what? I didn't wanted to do this, but get method data sync. I reject it. I'll go to this. I think it worked here, right? Mark evidence 1, comma 1, and forensic guy is ending with B2. So I'll go and the account ending with B2. Do we need a change in mark evidence function? The mark evidence function did changes on computation already appropriately. I only want I want forensic address to mark evidence as valid or invalid. You need the mark evidence function to include. Okay, babes. Let's see if this works. No, wait. I'm reloaded. I think it's easy. Yeah. Okay, And here we paste. I apologize. Okay. Very shy lady. We should play songs. Next time I try to do something useless, we should play a song. It's deployed. It's deployed. Account 2. Oh, it's my which thing? Forensic thing. First years. Forensic. And this will be the police guy. I'll go to account 1. Add forensic guy. The green thing means it's working. I'll do this. Copy. Add police guy. Green things means it's working. Now I'll go to police tab, which is the third one, ending with DB. And I'll add CID1, comma, desk1, mark evidence. It's working. CID2, desk2, mark evidence. Oh, sorry. So sorry. It should have been here. CID1, desk1, upload evidence. Now, we allowed police can call this function. Holy shit, this is the police function. 0x. Oh, no. Police function is 0xa. Is this a police function? No, this is not the police function. Because. Oh shit, I added the same thing to both of them. Okay, now listen to me, guys. We don't need to worry. We'll add this guy as a police guy again and change it to first one. Copy the address, add police. Perfect. Go to this. Okay, upload. Perfect. I'll go to this thing, which is the fourth account. It will be my new forensic guy. Okay, I'll copy it again. I'll go to account 1. Okay, now I'll go to account 2, which has all the access. So I'll add CID2, disk 2, perfect. Also CID3 and disk 3. Okay, now I'll go to fifth account now, which is this 4B. No, 0678. Yeah, if you use 0x787, 0x787, ending with CABAB. CABAB, yeah. This guy can say 1, 1. Hello, police. Why? Because now it sees. Don't worry, we'll do it. Okay, 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 okay. Deploy. Okay. Just give me a second. Hello? Copy. Okay. 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 Deploy. Perfect. चलो अभी जल्दी जल्दी व्हाट विल डू इज डिसाइड करते हैं अकाउंट 2 और अकाउंट 3 हमारा फॉरेंसिक का होगा। अकाउंट 2 कॉपी फॉरेंसिक क्या कर रहा है ये एंड अकाउंट 3 भी होगा हमारा। चेक कंट्रोल / सेम है ये पूरी चीज कमांड मैं कमेंट में बदल सकता हूँ। अकाउंट 3 नहीं भाई यही गलत हुआ था आखिरी टाइम। अकाउंट 3 होगा मेरा पुलिस। ओके। और एक काम करते हैं अकाउंट 4 जो रहेगा विच इज दिस वन। आई डोंट नो इट इज अकाउंट 5 आई थिंक। एनीवेज यहाँ पे आ गया मैंने। मैंने फॉरेंसिक एडेड फॉरेंसिक एडेड पुलिस एडेड पुलिस जाएंगे जल्दी से फोर्थ अकाउंट ये 617 वाले विच इज द लास्ट अकाउंट। अपलोड एविडेंस CID 1 डिस्क्रिप्शन 1 अपलोड परफेक्ट। ये पुलिस दूसरा वाला भी कर देगा और एक एविडेंस जो उसको मिला हो गया। ये पुलिस ये वाला पुलिस भी थोड़ा काम करेगा। CID 3 और डिस्क्रिप्शन 2 ही डालेगा हो गया। अभी फॉरेंसिक वाला देखते हैं इज इट वर्किंग और नॉट। इट्स नॉट वर्किंग ओनली forensic can call। Oh, of course, we are only forensic guy। देखो ये IPFS the one which I was working for. But anyways, come on, mark everything. It is working. Okay, let's say सेकंड वाला जो है वो भी 1 मार्क कर दिया। थर्ड वाला जो है वो 0 मार्क कर दिया। परफेक्ट। क्या बात। वर्किंग। हाउ, आई डोंट नो। थैंक्स टू चैट जीपीटी। नाउ लेट्स से लास्ट वाला अकाउंट का कॉपी एड्रेस दिया और ऐड फॉरेंसिक में डाल दिया इसको। नहीं, क्यों? क्योंकि वी आर नॉट इन एडमिन अकाउंट विच इज द फर्स्ट अकाउंट। नाउ वी आर, this is pretty fucked up. Okay, added. Again going to last thing, एंड अभी 1 वाले को मैं 0 मार्क कर दूंगा। परफेक्ट। परफेक्ट। वर्किंग। कॉपी। गो टू VS Code। गो टू एविडेंस प्रोटेक्शन। रिप्लेस इट। ये हटाओ। ट्रफल। माइग्रेट रिसेट। कराओ डिप्लॉय। पास। लेट्स सी हाउ इट वर्क्स। कंपाइल्ड। परफेक्ट। क्लाइंट। npm start। Guys, I think we are very close. अकाउंट। कौन सा अकाउंट है भाई एडमिन वाला? लेट्स सी। ट्रांजैक्शन में फ्रॉम एड्रेस इज 0x1BB। आई थिंक इट इज अकाउंट 3 ओनली। अकाउंट 3 मेरा। यस। तो अकाउंट 2 हमारा फॉरेंसिक वाला बंदा। कॉपी किया इसका एड्रेस। अगेन आई वेंट टू अकाउंट 3। एडमिन केस में गया। एडेड हिम टू अ फॉरेंसिक गाय। अकाउंट 2 एज अ फॉरेंसिक गाय। एरर क्यों भाई? स्टार्टेड येट? आई मीन अकाउंट 3। हाय। Perfect. For that, give me changes in this code as well. You gave me changes. I think even if जल्दी से account 2 में जाऊंगा. After going to account 2, I'll copy the address. To account 2, I'll write it. Fuck up a lot. I'll write it. Account 3, हमारा admin जी. Account 2 is the F1 guy, which is forensic 1 guy. ठीक है. अब भी 4 will be the police guy again. ठीक है. तो हटाओ. उसको बोलो एड पुलिस ऑफिसर. हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स अकाउंट 3 है. 3 is the admin. Okay, da. Okay, da. I think people in Bangalore say this da thing. Da, da. Hello. I'll go to police thing. AD1, desk 1, upload evidence. Because it won't work because I'm on account 3, which is the admin account. He's not a police officer. Perfect. CID2, desk 2. उसने और एक अपलोड कर दिया एविडेंस. कंफर्म. फॉरेंसिक वाले के पास जाते हैं. और let's add account 6 as well to the forensic thing. Oh, the account 2, which you guys know, was the forensic thing is working now. Perfect. Evidence has been marked successfully. Now I'll go to police and I'll see if this guy can also add. Should not, it should. Hell yeah. Perfect. So that was all for this video. I think now you guys know how can ChatGPT plus a little bit of conceptual clearance and clarity in what you're planning to implement will give you the whole, like a new tool to work for. Like even if you don't know the core concepts, it's fine because in React, I don't know how to use effect or the other stuff. But okay, okay. Now also what I can do is I know this thing, add swal to it. So it will be more useful. And with this command, first I'll need to pip install it. Okay, anyway, this is all for the video because I'll need to. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can. Sorry about this one. Yeah, I'll add a PowerShell. Okay, pm install sweet alert. What do you mean by npm fund sweet alert? I don't know what that means. Okay, but let's see if sweet alert works without closing the ongoing running app. If sweet alert works, I think you'll also get to know how it helps in your CSS. ChatGPT helps in your CSS. That means, let's say I'll add account 6 to a forensic guy. We will go to account 2, account 3, which is the admin guy. Did you see it? Did you see this thing? This is what ChatGPT did for me. Anyways, thanks. This is all for the video. See you in the next.